want to talk?
Are you recording?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
A 40-foot container on the beach, and these lots are 30 by 40, 27 foot 3 inches by 40. He's got to watch this right here. He's got a palmetto bush there. He needs to go straight back, then turn it. After his wheels get it right there, he needs to spin this and then head back. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping there'll be tragedy. Let's see here. I love when things go wrong, because in it, you get to fix it. What are you doing? Are you recording me? Yes, sir. Good. Cool. So what you do is we reset, let's like a forklift, reposition so then he can spin it. He'll be over on this side, he can spin it and come around this way. Isn't that beautiful? I love our palmettos, man. This place gonna look like a jungle in a couple years. Here we go. This is the coveted beach. If he can cut that, I mean, angle it right now, right?
Got it.
Angle that sucker.
Come my way a little bit. Come my way.
Yeah. Keep going. Back and cut it at the same time. Let's check, see how far he is to these palm trees. Yeah. Oh, piece of cake, man. Look at that. See that? And then he'll come back too. So the wheels need to start rolling this way. And start rolling this way and back at the same time. And hopefully we'll take out Cindy Brand's car. Well, look here. Wow. What's this?
Old Johnny come lately is me.
Good golly. Somebody got dressed up this morning.
Well, I had a doctor's appointment this morning.
I bet you had more than that going on this morning. You dressed like that to go to the doctor?
I dress like this to go to the doctor.
Lord, I wish I was in med school.
Annie appreciated it. Man, let me tell you something. I absolutely love this blue container. This is like, I wanted this so bad when it came here.
Yeah, it is nice,
I'm
man.
so excited. And this is a challenge right here, but this is exciting to watch.
$70,000 for a 40-foot container on a triaxle trailer. You can pick it up with a Jeep and take it to California. What are you reaching for?
Well, I was gonna hold it while you
Reachy,
talk.
grabby, grabby.
Reachy, grabby. I love this color blue. Now listen, this is just me. I would not paint it. I would keep it like this. I'd keep the numbers, keep the bars, keep all of it. I love this.
Well, that's the way I priced this out at $70,000. No exterior wood, nothing on it, because it's a container.
It's a container.
The only way the container, to me, is cost effective is when you leave it as a container.
Yes, I agree.
Done.
Absolutely.
Now, in the back, we have been able to put sliding glass doors. You open the doors, you put a deck. But all that can be done later. It can be transported like that.
Yeah. Now, I can hold that if you want to, and you can still, they can still hear you.
Hang on.
Yeah, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna take the camera right here. We left the well, Randy brought the microphones, but there's another piece of the equipment that is down at the office, but listen, we're gonna wing it, okay? We always do, so no big deal. Okay, so they're trying to figure out, I love these palm trees. Look at these guys. I mean, doesn't it look like that we're in Florida right here? Look at that, we are at the beach in Newport. Who knew that Newport, Tennessee had a beach? Huh? Look at this, and everybody's doing their colors, different houses. It just looks so cute on here. And then now we got a container. Is this the only container that we have on the beach? You know, I think it is. We got some morning. I'm trying to think, is this the only container on the beach? It is, ain't it? Is it the only one? I think so. I thought so. Randy, this is the only one on the beach, right? The only container?
For now.
For now, yeah, but this is the only one we got. Morning, Cindy. I gotta look at her little dogs. These. Hi, Cindy. I gotta show these little dogs. You are the most precious little things right there. Hi, I love you both. I love you both. Hi. How are you?
My new shirt.
Look at your shirt. Oh my gosh, Cindy, we're gonna have to tour your house one day.
Yeah,
Hi,
give me notice.
I'll give you notice. Ah, there's Cindy. Bless her heart, she was not expecting to be on camera.
Not really.
Hi
I'm
there.
just watching the excitement.
Your babies are just so precious. All right, we're gonna go over here, look at the container, okay? Okay, bye guys. Thank you. Yeah, this is the only one, the only container on the beach.
Yes.
Okay, I thought so. It is.
They're both 40 feet long.
Both 40 feet.
Yeah. I just want to see them get in there.
I do too. That's why I showed up at a perfect time. I had a doctor's appointment, so. Hot dog. I love the blue. I'd keep it just like that. Oh gosh, poor Justin. Oh, gross. We've got all the guys, all hands are on deck. We've got Albert over here. You see Albert, he's motioning right over here. We got Justin right here. This is Albert's boy right here. And then Randy, of course, is showing. And Mike is doing the bobcat. He's over there in the bobcat. But I love the blue, and I would keep it exactly like this. But 40 foot, like Cindy made a really good point. Her house is 40 feet long too. So let me move over here and show you her house. And we'll schedule with Cindy, and we're gonna go see that big, beautiful beast. She's got a hot tub too, so it's all awesome. But 40 feet right there, and this is 40 feet. So this is an 8x40. Oh, they are picking it up. Here we go. Albert's guiding back here. Look at the trim on the windows and stuff. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Got that little bit of black trim. By golly, they're getting it in here. And of course, there's the power station right there. See? The pole is at the ass of the house. I don't know if we can say that, but we just did. Okay, let's watch it here. Randy's guiding him. Randy's showing him what to do. And everybody's out here for the excitement. Cindy's out here. There's some people out there. They're sitting in chairs. I love it. I'm a people watcher. I think a lot of people are. It's just curiosity. I mean, hey, we're here. Everybody come outside and just look and see what they're doing. Why not? Makes them nervous? Oh, well. Oh, well. Justin, look at his feet. Look at that. He stepped in a mud hole. What a mess. Okay. We're going to keep it rolling. Randy's over there. I see him throwing some blocks or something. I don't know. It didn't look like his boots. No, it wasn't Randy. Randy's right there. There's his arm. There we go. Yep. Randy's guiding him. Randy's telling him what to do. Straight back. Oh, look how close it is. Look how close it is. Yes. That's exciting, ain't it, Cindy? It is. It's like threading a needle, she said. Oh boy. The sewer line is really close, so we gotta watch it. See, see that sewer line right there? Oh Lord. Straight back. Lord, watch him tars. Oh Lord. Look at them. They're spotting it. They're spotting it. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. All right, Randy's guiding him here. Randy's done this Randy could do this in his sleep, okay? Yes. Yep. Yep. I want that ass end over. That's what Randy just said. These guys are cracking me up. You know, Randy's been doing this a long time, and there's something that kind of goes along. There can only be one chief. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you go with it. Look at there. Missed the pipe. Missed the electrical thing. Look at it. All of it missed.
This is right on straight with the
Look at that. Oh my gosh, good.
He's got to go back. Tail end needs to go.
And Randy just walked it off. You just walked
what
off
did I do?
You just walked it off. I know what you're doing. We've done this a day or two. And one of the other things too, don't ever get behind these machines. You got to be very, very super aware. Those things, they move on a dime. Wow, nice. Yep. Taking it back. And Randy walked it off to see how much, and I'm watching behind me, see it? Because that thing can whip right back here. There's the side of it. Front of the house. You're going back. You're getting the blocks. See? They're going to walk it off.
Look here.
All right, another crooked. He wants a straight line, Randy said.
Neil, watch out or we're going to jockey it to the left a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
He wants it straight with that line right there. You can see. Okay. Here's the back of it. Let's watch Albert here.
Neil, go tell him to go that way. I'll tell you when to tell him to stop.
Albert knows what's going on too. He did, didn't he?
That way.
That's a good point. Cindy said they just gave her all the privacy she needed with her hot tub over her.
Right there.
Yes. That worked out perfect. Okay. Cindy's got a hot tub over on her. Look here. There's Cindy's hot tub. Now she's got all kinds of privacy. She's going to lock it. Now the guys are going to block it up. Look how close this was here. Nice. Nice. Oh. Love our guys. Yes. Oh, good job, guys. I mean, awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, what am I doing? Yes, I am. You know what Cindy just said?
No.
She said,
I don't know.
listen, she said, I just got all the privacy I needed for my hot tub. She said, thank God. So she likes that.
Right along the sales lot, which there'll be this multi-million-dollar lodge one day, Amanda.
There is.
There's going to be a high dive. It's going to jump into an Olympic-sized pool. There's going to be Leland cypresses surrounding all this, and there's more palm tree. You'll interrupt me.
But
Okay,
I'm just saying, go ahead.
No, I'm teasing.
No, the lodge is going over there.
There's going to be two lodges. Lodge
Wait,
1 and Lodge 2.
Stop it.
And then it's gonna
Lodge 1 and Lodge 2.
And I'm gonna put a 30-story skyscraper overlooking the lake.
Do you know, because I've known you forever, you have talked about a skyscraper, building one since Brothers Cove.
It's going on the mountain right there. That's where it's going.
Right up there.
Yep. Twin Towers.
There you go. That's right.
Isn't that pretty?
That's gorgeous. And
All right, so we have palm trees, and they wanted to come here and take out a palm. I said, stop.
Oh.
Come on, man. We can do this. And we did it exactly like I thought. The wheel against there, edge it,
Yep.
edge it. Got to reset up, redo a little bit. Perfect. 40-foot container on a 27 by 40 lot.
And two, Cindy made a good point too, is that her house was 40 foot. So hers is 40, this one's 40.
But her house was in here when we didn't have
When
palm
there's
trees.
nothing here. There was nothing here.
This was a feat today.
This was amazing. And I'm
Look at that
telling
beautiful light up there.
Oh, I know. It's
Isn't
real
that
pretty.
cool?
And look at the detail over the windows I was talking about. Randy, look down through here. Who knew that Newport, Tennessee, there's a beach? I mean, look how pretty this
Hey.
is looking.
How many doubters have I had?
A lot.
Everybody. Yep.
They ain't doubting
And
now.
I always knew this is what I wanted to do. Now, everybody's
Beautiful.
asking me, how are you going to keep these trees from freezing, Randy, when it hits 14 million degrees below zero?
Stop it.
And you know what? I never thought of that.
Who's that kid? That looks like that other one. Are they related?
No, but they should.
You look alike.
They got the same head.
They got the same head. They look alike. I saw one. I went, wait a minute. Is that him? Is that him?
Well, man, is that a compliment or a feel sorry for you?
They got to figure that out. So what? Tell the rest of your plans.
Well, it never occurred to me
How
that
you
they
gonna-
could freeze.
Yeah.
I'm being sarcastic. So anyway, I'm not going to tell anybody, but yes, I do have a plan.
There
Yes,
is a plan.
There is a plan.
I love it.
Yep.
I've never been around because of course, I'm from Morristown. I'm from here. I'm not used to palm trees and stuff. And I don't go to the beach and I don't go to get in the
You're on
water.
the beach now. And these
I'm
are,
on the
and
beach
these are
now.
palmettos, and these are going to get really big, like 8 foot wide. Big
Yes.
and bushy and about 8 or 10 foot tall. There's going to be a wall here. There's going to be lealands right there. We got a big wall, a big bushy one will be here. Probably trimmed back a little bit.
I love
And
it.
we got lealands back here, and we'll put palm trees around the back. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Howdy, buddy.
Beautiful. 8 by 40.
Done.
8 by 40 done.
Yeah.
All right. On the beach here in Newport, Tennessee, and Incredible Tiny Homes.
We got it. We did it.
All right.
Well, let me get more shot of you.
What? You don't have to get another shot.
What do you think about the way she looks today?
Don't answer that.
Look here. He is, look,
Do you like this?
likes
Well,
that
thank
outfit.
you. I appreciate
He looks
that.
very, very energized.
Thank you.
That's beautiful.
Right.
We all like your outfit.
Well, thank you. And it's got pockets, and I got
Yeah,
so.
beautiful.
Anyway, all right.
All right. Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Share, like this video.
Yes.
If you want to see more, like us more.
Yes.
Share it more.
If you don't like it, turn it off.
Don't turn it off. Just be mad. Yell at the TV. Just
That's
let
right.
it run.
Send negative comments.
Let it run. All right. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bottle jacks. Okay. And how long of a pipe was it?
No, I'm still filming. You can say talk if you want to.
All right, I'm gonna go grab a stick.
Hold on a second. Let me turn it off. Thank you, guys. Thanks, Justin. Clean them shoes.
These before you